Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm giving a quick update on HealthyNuLiving. All right, so I joined HealthyNuLiving a little over a month ago. So I just wanted to get on here and really, talk about what I think about the company so far. And so far, I must say that I am loving the HealthyNuLiving opportunity, because first of all, the fact that I'm deeply involved with like health and working out and supplements. I got another YouTube channel, Team BTFL, if you want to check it out. But I love talking about supplements and workout stuff, right? So when I seen this opportunity, I'm like, yo, okay, this might be what I've been waiting for, right? So that's one thing, just to join a company, but it's another thing to actually get involved with it, get involved with, the members and the people who actually work for the company. And it's just been incredible, right? Because once you join HealthyNuLiving, you get involved with the actual, there's a Facebook group for, members of HealthyNuLiving, right? So we're not all even on the same team, so to speak, with recruiting and all that. And everybody is just cool as hell, right? And I know because it's a new company, it's not that many people involved, right? But everybody is just helping each other out and, sharing tips and we doing webinars together and really trying to get people involved and really trying to help people build online businesses, build incomes, solid incomes, right? So just that feeling, HealthyNuLiving definitely gives you that team feeling, like a real one. Because a lot of network marketing, affiliate companies, whatever, they have bad reps when it comes to that. Like, oh, it's a whole bunch of evil people involved and backstabbing and blah, 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 blah. Man, right now, if you're just looking for a solid, up and coming company in the health industry, because that's what HealthyNuLiving, they offer. Our products are real products. They're supplement stuff. We got gummy apple cider vinegar gummies, we got fat burners, we got detox products, all that good stuff. And the cool thing is the products are very, very marketable. And I mean marketable because they're not expensive at all. So it's very easy to promote the products involved with HealthyNuLiving, right? Which I love that as well. So not only all that is the fact I actually love the products. You get a lot of people in these other network marketing companies, right? They just in them. They don't even use the products, right? They're like, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to build a team. I'm just trying to build my team and get this check. But they don't even use this stuff. So I'm really feeling the products. I'm feeling the compensation. I already made money with this company. I'm already generating a passive income, a monthly recurring income from HealthyNuLiving, right? And it's just keep getting better and better, right? So I even did a video before about what's the best team to join with HealthyNuLiving, and obviously I'm gonna say mine, right? But right now, if you join a company, you really can't go wrong, because all of the team leaders that I've seen, that I've talked to, have been super cool, super helpful. So you really can't go wrong with that. But if you do want to join my team, I'm gonna hook you up every way I can. We got some great training inside the Facebook group. We got some stuff outside the Facebook group. We got a platform for Team NuLiving, where we have tons of stuff to help you get started and making money. Not only that, when you join the team, like, we actually connect, right? So we'll be vibing, right? We'll be shooting ideas. I'll be helping you get started every way I can. I'll get you involved in all of our Facebook groups. And trust me, if you're watching this video and you're on the fence and you're like, I don't know. First of all, if you do get involved with HealthyNuLiving, be serious. If you take it serious, you're going to be successful. You're not going to want to quit. You're going to feel great about promoting the products, and you're going to feel great about promoting the opportunity, straight up. But if you ain't serious, then hell, watch another video. It's all good. But if you want to join the team, understand I'm not going to leave you hanging, right? I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm really going to work with you and help you get started and lead you in the right direction to start generating an income. All right. So if you want to check it out, obviously I got a link. Check the link, first link in the description. So if you're debating it, I'm just telling you, it's the real deal. All right. So if you want to check it out, the link in the description, you can get started with Healthy New Living today. All right. And I will see you on the team. Peace.